English speaking practice. Improve your English. Listen, speak, and repeat. If we would like to improve our English, one thing we can do is to build up our vocabulary in order. There are many effective ways. First of all, we should read a lot. Improve your English. My kitchen is a special place in my home where I spend a lot of my time. It's a room filled with various appliances and utensils and ingredients, all designed to help me prepare delicious meal. Healthy eating habits are really important. They help our bodies stay strong and feel good. When we eat foods that are good for us and our bodies work well. It's important to feel good about how you look no matter what you see in the mirror. Everyone is special and different in their very own way. Personal development in learning the English language is all about becoming a better English speaker. It involves building self-confidence. Hard work is a very important thing. It means working with efforts and determinations to achieve your goal. When we work hard, we put our best to get things done. My job is an office is interesting. I work from Monday to Friday from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening. I sit at my desk and run on computer. Being successful in life is something we all inspire to. Here are some simple ways to help you achieve success. First, set clear goals for yourself. I have a regular fitness routine that helps me stay healthy and strong. Every morning I start my day with some stretching exercise. Staying active and fit is really important for our health. It means doing things that keep our bodies strong and in good shape. Time management is a helpful skill that helps us use our time in a good way. Remember, it's okay to ask for help if we are not sure how to manage our time. My mother is my role model. She is the best person in my life. She is always there for me and I look up to her. She is kind, loving, and caring. Spending a day with my grandmother is a wonderful experience. She is my family's elders and she is very loving and wise. She cooks yummy food. I have a wonderful family that I love very much. My family is made up of my parents, my siblings, and me. We live together in a cozy house. My family is the most important part of my life. I love my family very much and they mean everything to me. Let me tell you about my family and why they are so special to me. Cooking. What do you like eating for dinner? I like every type of food from every country. I can eat anything and I love trying new foods. Like I said, I don't cook well, but I eat well. Maybe I'll learn to cook in the future, but I don't know. I don't like cooking and I don't have the natural talent to cook. I prefer eating, not cooking. My husband cooks very well, so I don't need to learn. I'm thankful for that.
सो बिग गिफ्ट फॉर व्यूअर के लिए ये था कि अगर आपको अपने चैनल की फ्री में प्रमोशन करवानी हो तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और एक प्यारा सा कमेंट्स कर दीजिए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपके चैनल की प्रमोशन कर सकूं।